Some may call this unicorn madness. What do you think? Special thanks to my members. You are the glue that keeps this community together. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paints, it's all by Donna. And today I found this when I was shopping in Ikea. And it's a cute little unicorn. And of course, I'm not gonna just leave it as it is. So it does light up. And I thought that was kind of cute. But this was in its clear. So this is the part where I had the phone calls and I lost all that footage because I never turned my camera back on. So I do apologize, but I thought, why not give some new life and transform this unicorn into something magical and inspiring. This piece is all about nature, creativity, and imagination. So I started and I used a Pentart Stone Effect Paste. I used it in white and green, and as you can see, it's already dried here, but it gave this beautiful stone effect, and it gave great texture. The paste is thick, and I applied it easily with that brush. And once it dries, it creates this natural weathered look, almost as if this unicorn was carved from stone. I let it dry completely before moving on to where we are right now. This gives it such a grounding part of nature. From there, I began embellishing. And as you can see, I gave some beautiful flowers up along his eye area. Of course, you know those were in my stash. And this gives it just the right touch of whimsy. Then I decided we needed to add some quotes. But do I leave that quote there? Absolutely not. This piece was transformed quite a few times as I was going along. I used that cute little button for the eye. I finally found that little butterfly, and I thought, what better way than to hold on my unicorn's tail? By the way, do unicorns have tails? I don't know, but I thought mine should have one, so I gave him one. I thought that quote, "It's always possible until it's done," was pretty awesome. And then the other one I took out was, "The first step is to dream." Together, these words remind us that every creative journey begins with a dream. And even when things seem impossible, that first step always makes it possible. I'm using my distress paints here by Tim Holtz in Victorian lace. It's a beautiful color. And then I decide to add that beautiful color to the unicorn too. Just here and there, just to blend it in a little more. That sticker doesn't want to stick down, so I use some UV resin from Bondcraftor, and then I use my UV light from Let's Resin. Now, I've had these flowers for quite a while. They're dried flowers, but let me tell you, when I open this up, boy, do I get such an aroma. What a beautiful sniff. I thought I had real flowers in my room. I'm not kidding you. So here we go, adding them in with more UV resin. I like the dimension that I get by adding these flowers to the back of this piece, and that's what I mean by saying it kind of went little by little as I was adding the pieces to make this puzzle come together, one step at a time. I gave it texture, a little dimension, and that natural pop of color that brings it all alive. Here we are, coming to the ends, and even now adding this little piece of whimsy. I love this last embellishment that I added. Look how pretty. This whole project was inspired by nature, flowers, and the stone effect, the butterfly, even the magical presence of this unicorn itself. Unicorns symbolize wonder and magic, and I wanted this piece to remind us to keep dreaming, to embrace creativity, and to find inspiration in the beauty around us. And here's the most magical part, whether it's displayed as is or with the light inside. It glows with energy and imagination. The colors and textures and the quotes all come together to create a piece that can inspire in any room. I'd love to know your thoughts about what I did here today. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel or to join our membership, boy, would I love to see you join our membership. It's $1 and a dream. Join our community of supporters to this channel. It's what keeps us together. It's the glue that binds us. The first step is to dream. It always seems impossible until it's done. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. I Should Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. And don't forget, it's $1 and a dream. We'd love to have you. Hit that join button and join us today. These are our amazing members. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Special thanks to Yen Drawers and Lena Park Arts for your blessings from last month. I appreciate it immensely.